Today we're going to look at present perfect tense. Present perfect is quite a difficult grammar form, so today we're just going to look at how to make a sentence using present perfect. In our next part, we'll go deeper into the present perfect sentence and different situations where you use it. But today we'll just look at the sentence form, how to make a sentence. 今日は現在完了形パート1に勉強します。現在完了形は随分難しいので、今日はただその文章の作り方をします。で、パート2で次の勉強をします。So the main form of the present perfect tense sentence is subject, a have or has, and a past participle. 現在完了形の形は最初で集合で、その後に have か has で、その後に past participle 過去分詞を使わなきゃいけないですね。So for example, in my first example we have subject, have or has, past participle, and lunch. So looking at the first one, I have eaten lunch. She has gone to work. So in our present perfect sentences, we use a subject, we use have or has. Have or has depends on the subject. If it's I, if it's you, we, they, or I, we have. If it's he, she, or it, we use has. This is the same as all English grammar. We use the third person singular, we use the S form for that. In other forms, we use the regular form of the verb. So, I have eaten lunch. The past participle is the third form of the verb. She has gone to work. This is how you make a present perfect sentence. With the different forms of the verb, we need to be careful with this form. This form is a little bit difficult. で、現在完了形の文章の作り方は集合で、集合の代名詞は I, you, we, they の場合は have を使う。he, she, it の場合は has を使う。今まで勉強した通りで三人称単数の場合は S の形を使えばいいんですね。で、その後に past participle 過去分詞プラス目的語は最後にあるんですね。そういうふうに現在完了形の文章を作る。So the subject and using have or has is quite easy, I think. The next part is a past participle. This is a new form of the verb we haven't touched yet. This form of the verb is the third form. So in this case we have eat. So eat is present, ate is past, and eaten is the past participle form. So we have the present tense and past tense and past participle. With irregular verbs, you're going to have to learn the new form of the verb. So in this case, we have two irregular verbs. The second sentence has gone, so we have go, went, and gone. And these are irregular verbs, and you'll have to memorize a new form of this verb. So, 現在完了形の時は、eat, ate, eaten, go, went, gone. この動詞の形は irregular の形は新しい形を勉強しなきゃいけないですね。3番目の形ですね。So eat, ate, eaten, go, went, gone. で、regular forms are the same. So if you're using a regular verb, we just use the same past tense, and past participle tense is the same if it's a regular verb. Regular の動詞の場合はただ過去形が同じで、irregular の時だけ新しい形を勉強しなきゃいけない。もし ED の形があれば、もうそのまま past participle で ED の形を使えばいいんですね。